Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Futures Trading Easy Method. First, you'll need to understand the basics of futures contracts and how they differ from spot trading. Then, we'll walk through setting up your account and transferring funds to your futures wallet. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience, ensuring you're ready to place your first trade with confidence and clarity. Now, let's place your first trade. Begin by selecting a cryptocurrency pair like BTC versus USD. Decide on your margin mode, either isolated to limit risk per position or cross to share margin across all positions. Carefully set your leverage, understanding it amplifies both gains and losses. Finally, choose your order type, such as a limit or market order, and specify your desired position size. Effective risk management is key to successful futures trading. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains automatically. Continuously monitor your open positions and your margin ratio to avoid unexpected liquidations. Understanding your liquidation price is vital. Adding more margin or reducing leverage can help prevent it, protecting your capital. To further enhance your trading, explore advanced order types such as one cancels the other or OCO orders, which combine a stop loss and take profit. Always consider practicing with a demo account first to refine your strategy without financial risk. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals. Continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies for long-term success in futures trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.